Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to create a CV using Chatgpt. First, open Chatgpt in your browser. You can use the free or the paid version. Once you are on the chat screen, type a simple prompt like, "Create a professional CV for a marketing specialist with 5 years of experience." You can replace marketing specialist and 5 years with your own job title and experience level. Chatgpt will generate a full CV for you in seconds. It usually includes sections like your contact information, professional summary, skills, work experience, and education. Read through the text and check that all details are correct. If you want to improve the layout or tone, you can ask ChatGPT for help. Type something like, "Make it more formal," or "Add a creative touch to my CV." You can also ask it to focus on specific achievements, such as highlight my sales growth results. Once you are happy with the content, copy the text and paste it into a Word or Google Docs file. Then adjust the formatting. Use clear section headings, bullet points, and consistent spacing. Finally, save your document as a PDF before sending it to employers. If you want, you can ask ChatGPT to write a matching cover letter too. And that is how you can create a professional CV with ChatGPT. Thanks for watching.